I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. Today, we're going to talk about what happens when you're delivering a speech and suddenly you forget. How do you recover from that experience? Well, if you happen to have some index cards handy, or if you happen to have a letter-sized sheet with bullet points and large letters that you can look at temporarily and then come back to the speech, that's fine. But there are certain situations that you do not have that at your disposal. So how do you recover? I simply tell my audience, look, I'm going through a brain freeze right now. And they all start to laugh. And then eventually it comes back. You see, what happens is that when we forget our speech, if we panic, the blood vessels to the brain constrict, not allowing blood to flow to the brain. Therefore, you go to brain freeze. So, the way you do that is through comedy. And before you know it, it returns. What if it doesn't return? Well, you can always ask the audience, where was I? And there'll be someone in the audience that will tell you, and then it'll jog your memory and off you go. Or you can talk about something related to that. The whole point is that there are ways to recover. The audience does not expect you to be perfect. They just expect you to deliver a message that adds value to them. I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. Remember to build your arsenal, break the barriers, step up and dare to be the challenger, the initiator, and the change agent that you were meant to be. Until next time, bye now.